Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that a lot of people talked about and complained with the rise of the Windows 10 operating system end of support, and of course PCs that are unsupported for Windows 11, is the waste, the e-waste that it's going to cause. Well, if you look at your Windows 10 operating system in the Windows Update, where you can check if your computer has been enrolled into a Windows 10 extended support, there's also something here. And this is, I think, Microsoft trying to tell you that, oh yeah, they want to be, responsible for that e-waste. And here you see, learn about options to trade in or recycle your PC. And you can click on that, and it brings you to a Microsoft page where they explain several ways that you can actually have your PC recycled, or maybe trade in for a little bit of cash that would give you, a lower price on a Windows 11 machine. So this is new. It wasn't there, and it suddenly appeared magically. And I guess this is Microsoft's response saying, well, people are complaining. Let's put that beautiful little message here that, oh, but you can recycle your PC if you want, which still makes a lot of e-waste anyways. And recycling has its limits too. So if you go and check out your Windows updates on Windows 10, you might see that this new little phrase has been added with a link that you can go and see what they want. For the rest, of course, still a lot of people saying that you haven't seen the extended support message yet. Don't worry for now. It should appear, and we'll deal with that at some point if it doesn't. But Windows 10 update should appear. I guess it could be depending on the country where you are. If I don't know exactly. A lot of people do have that, extended support that appears, but I guess maybe there's still some problems with it, or they're rolling it out still to people. So make sure you have the latest updates. That is very important. You will not see the option to have extended support if you don't install the latest Windows updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.